In the rapidly evolving world of robotics, the USA's latest advancements in next-generation humanoid robots are setting the stage for a transformative shift in global technological dynamics. As these cutting-edge machines emerge, they represent not only significant strides in artificial intelligence and engineering, but also a potential game-changer in the competitive landscape between technological superpowers. The United States' investment in sophisticated humanoid robotics is challenging China's position in this high-stakes arena, where both nations vie for supremacy in innovation and influence. As these robots become increasingly capable and integrated into various sectors, they could redefine the balance of power in technological advancements and economic competitiveness on the world stage. The company Figure, which received $675 million in investments from OpenAI and other investors in February, has released a trailer for its new robot, Figure 02. The video is not overloaded with technical details and showcases some key features of the upcoming humanoid. Specifically, it mentions a torque of up to 150 N and a joint motion range of up to 195 degrees. Close-ups of the robotic limbs and flexible mesh body structures are shown. Founder Brett Adcock wrote that Figure 02 is the most advanced humanoid robot in the world. The video starts with a demonstration of the new design of the robotic foot, which has a human-like shape and size. The upgraded five-fingered hand of Figure 02 is also anatomically similar to a human hand, allowing the robot to perform precise and rapid movements. The head of Figure 02 is equipped with a display to show the battery charge level and possibly light indicators for visual communication. It is presumed that Figure 02 will use one of OpenAI's new models to control its movements and interactions. The race for humanoid robots is gaining momentum, with the company Zeekr beginning to use humanoid robots, Walker S-Lite, at its facilities. Zeekr's partner, UB Tech, which developed the androids, noted that the bots have been working on the assembly line for 3 weeks, although they are currently performing only basic tasks. 3 organizations are participating in this experiment: the android manufacturer UB Tech, the auto giant Geely, and Miracle Automation Engineering. Geely is responsible for developing scenarios in which the robots will be used, while Miracle, as a software provider, collects data from the production line to train the androids and organizes the training process. On Zeekr's production line, Walker S-Lite robots are used, which are lightweight and improved versions of previous models. One of their advantages is the ability to move efficiently, while holding a box weighing up to 15 kilograms. Currently, these androids are mainly engaged in carrying heavy loads, but their functions are expected to expand in the future. UB Tech also plans to collaborate with FAW Volkswagen. A blogger from the YouTube channel ZHC decided to keep up with the times and organized a competition between a human and an AI-powered robot, with the grand prize being $100,000. Participants, including a robot and a human, competed in drawing and playing chess. The experiment highlights unique human abilities, such as intuition and creativity, which cannot yet be fully replicated by artificial intelligence. In these competitions, victory went to the human, demonstrating that for now, human intelligence remains unmatched in certain aspects. But that is only for now. Unitree has released a new video demonstrating the remote control of the humanoid robot Unitree H1, which continues to develop at an incredible pace. In the video, the operator uses telepresence to control the robot's movements in real time. The robot is equipped with cameras and sensors that transmit a first-person view to the operator, allowing them to see the surrounding space through the robot's eyes and accurately control its movements. The humanoid robot H1 mimics human walking, runs at speeds of up to 5 meters per second, bends, and carries loads of up to 30 kilograms. Its main purposes are research and professional software development, including creating custom functions and implementing AI. Without a doubt, this robot is one of the most promising in the world of robotic technologies. One of the most popular robotic dogs in the world, the Chinese Unitree Go 2, has received an upgrade and is now equipped with wheels and a bionic mode. The new model can reach speeds of up to 9 kilometers per hour, overcoming rough terrain, inclines, and declines in skate parks. The Go 2W is equipped with a set of sensors, including an ultra-wide-angle LiDAR and cameras, as well as an octa-core processor. For wireless communication, it supports Wi-Fi, 4G, and Bluetooth. making video transmission easier. The 15,000 battery provides up to 4 hours of operation on a single charge. Weighing 18 kilograms, the robot can carry a payload of up to 3 kilograms and climb stairs, making it useful for various tasks. This is Dax, a robot from Daxbot, designed to perform various urban service tasks. It is an AI-powered robot optimized for delivery, patrolling, and assessing sidewalk accessibility, according to ADA standards. Dax is designed to be psychologically safe and pleasant, featuring a neck and facial expressions for better human interaction. Dax stands 90 centimeters tall and 60 centimeters wide, with a maximum speed of 6.4 kilometers per hour and the ability to accelerate for crossing streets. Dax's cargo compartment can hold up to 0.5 cubic meters, equivalent to 2 medium pizzas and drinks. For delivery tasks, Dax has a range of 4 kilometers. The robots for patrolling and sidewalk accessibility assessments have specialized batteries for up to 12 hours of operation. Meet AngoPro, a smart mobile robot designed for indoor use to transport people and their belongings over long distances, such as in convention centers or other large buildings. The robot is equipped with 6 sensors that allow it to detect obstacles in real time at distances of up to 4 meters, ensuring safe navigation among people. It also has several compartments for storing small items such as handbags or books. AngoPro is ideal for use in large public spaces like exhibition centers, shopping complexes, and airports, where it can assist visitors in moving over long distances while simultaneously carrying their personal belongings. Here is another unique robot called Tita, presented by Direct Drive Technology Lot. It was showcased at CES 2024 and is designed to perform various tasks, thanks to its multifunctional features and capabilities. Tita is suitable for a wide range of applications, from industrial automation to educational and research purposes. The robot has 8 degrees of freedom, providing high maneuverability and flexibility in movement. It also has 2 modes of movement, such as rolling and walking, allowing it to adapt to different surface conditions. Thanks to its advanced perception and autonomy capabilities, Tita can be used in various scenarios that require precision and flexibility. Write in the comments what you think about the new humanoid robot Figure 02. The stakes are high, and the implications are far-reaching. From enhancing productivity and safety in various sectors to potentially altering the balance of global technological influence, these humanoid robots are poised to make a significant impact. As we continue to track this evolving story, we invite you to stay engaged and informed. If you found this deep dive into the world of next-generation humanoid robots intriguing, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. By subscribing, you'll stay updated on the latest advancements and trends shaping our future. Your support helps us deliver more in-depth analyses and exciting content. Thanks for watching, and we look forward to bringing you more updates on the cutting edge of technology.